Hi, and welcome to the Girlfriends Lounge. My name is Marcy, and I will be sharing a subscription box from Your Creative Studio. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so here's the thank you note. It always has, sometimes it's a piece of the paper that's inside. Take this out. And let's see all of the fun items that are in here. I love the pink. I feel like you always get a nice selection of papers, stickers, and definitely stamps. The cling stamps, washi tape. So here is, we'll go through this real quick. This is what they label masking tape, is the washi. Very pretty. Again, I always feel like you get a nice size roll. Then the cling stamp. I'll open both of them. I save, oops, there's an extra one. I save all of the packaging. Okay, so this was in a packet together. And then here is the other one. You typically will get one of each of these, so it'll be a sticker, it's a clear sticker or transparent sticker of whatever the theme is, and then typically there will be this pattern textured paper, which is also stickers. And then here's some die cuts maybe, and some paper. So let me open each of these items up and I'll go through them without the glare. Okay, so I've taken everything out of the packaging, and I'll just go through each item that's in there. So this is a little booklet of paper. I think it's paper. Yes, it's paper. This. Then let's see. Here's another booklet of paper. And this is you get, I think, 3 sheets of each. These might be upside down. Okay. And there is this set, and I believe this is paper as well. This feels like a textured paper, and I don't know if there's any duplicates, so let's do it one by one. Okay, so it does look like there's duplicates. The texture doesn't feel any different, so we'll just fan it this way. Oh, that looks like some different papers. Okay. This almost feels like wallpaper, like very thin wallpaper. So I'll lay these out. For an overview. And these do feel like a textured paper. And I'll come back with the next. Okay, and here is this one. So you get a nice little collection. These are the harder, not chipboard, but cardstock. So you get some tags. Let me scoot this over a little bit. You get some tags and some labels. Here's some script. Two more. Oh, you can't see those. Here's two more round. There's some hearts, and then there's a bunch of little pieces. Another label. Let me scroll down a little bit farther so you can see everything. Here's two more of those. So a nice little collection. Okay, and then here is all of the stamp stickers. They are stickers. So this is everything that you get in the little package. I save these. I love things like this. Okay, and here is these are clear stickers. And you get a variety of sizes. There's 2 of each. Pull some of the ones that are in back. You get a variety of sizes. I think I said that already. So here's some small ones. They're all in the portrait layout. And then here are the additional ones. So very pretty, and you get quite a few. And the last item is the paper. This is the Your Creative Studio. So you get the 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum, 6 art, and 6 pattern. These are the paper selection that you get. And again, they just repeat the theme, or the pattern is repeated per texture. And then it just repeats. Okay, so that is all for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching my channel, spending your time with me. I am grateful for all of the new subscribers that I have, and I hope you are enjoying this series of unboxing the Your Creative Studio subscription boxes. Have a magnificent day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.